Okay, so I thought I'd start with a very practical use of AI. A lot of people say, well, hey, Scott, how do I start using AI? Like, I don't even know where to start. And I always tell people, just start with the basics. Start with Google. And it's so easy to use AI, you're probably already using it and you don't even know you're using it. But if you come in here to Google and you just put in something very basic, so one of the point of sale systems that we work with is Order Counter. And I had a customer wanting me to compare Order Counter to Toast earlier today. So I literally just put this in and I said, hey, how does Order Counter benefit restaurants? And I'm not even going to click on AI mode just yet. I'm just going to do a regular Google search. But you'll see the very first thing that I get is I get an AI overview. So it automatically went out to the AI, gave me some information. But now if I click on show more, I can see all of this and I can start asking it for a little bit more information. So now I can say, how does OC compare to Toast? And now it will take me into the AI mode, and it's actually, I'm talking to Google's AI, and I can literally build, look at this, here's key features at a glance. Why would you choose Order Counter? Why would you choose Toast? Considerations. I can go in and I can get a pricing breakdown. I can get loyalty program features. I can get a lot of information farther down the road. Now, if I wanted to do something really cool, I can say, generate me a marketing slide for social media comparing the two. Make it, I don't remember what the social media size is, but I'm just going to say 600 pixels by 800 pixels and make it cartoon-ish, something like that. So all I did is I said, generate me a marketing slide for social media comparing the two, make it 600 pixels by 800 pixels, and make it cartoonish. Now let's see what it comes up with. It's going to go out and it's going to generate an image, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so this is pretty fun. Here is your generated image, Battle of the Restaurant POS, find your perfect fit. And it talks about Order Counter and it talks about Toast. Now I could sit here and refine this farther, you know, choose wisely, visit for demos. Obviously your restaurant POS is not the right website, so I would need to work on this a little bit farther. But you can see how in less than 3 minutes, I've generated a pretty cool little graphic that I could use for a lot of different marketing stuff. Of course, you want to make sure that the facts that it puts out there are accurate. You want to make sure that you're not using logos or things that might be trademarked, because that is something that AI can pick up on. But this is a really quick way to get something going and get some ideas maybe for your marketing team. A lot of times I'll take something like this and hand it back over to my marketing team and say, hey, here's what I'm thinking, or this is the idea, the direction that I'm wanting to go. And then I'll let them actually refine it rather than expecting AI to do the full finished product.